Welcome to our video today, where we'll examine how our thoughts and feelings might help us achieve our goals. Have you ever questioned why some people seem to be able to create anything they desire with ease, while others find it difficult to do so? The law of assumption holds the key to the solution, therefore that's good to know. In this video, we'll explore this idea in greater detail and demonstrate how you may bring magic into your life in as little as 10 minutes. Now let's begin this path of manifestation while you sit back and unwind. Several great intellectuals and spiritual authorities throughout history have delved deeply into the law of assumption and the idea that feeling is the secret. They claim that the cosmos reflects our inner condition and that we attract the things on which we concentrate our thoughts and feelings. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have an uncanny ability to attract anything they want, while others find it difficult to make even the tiniest wishes come true? The power of our thoughts and emotions holds the key to the solution. Our world can be influenced by our thoughts and feelings. According to the law of assumption, whatever we believe to be true, we find to be true. In other words, our world is shaped by our assumptions. We can attract things into our life if we think they are possible and concentrate our thoughts and feelings on that result. The feeling is the secret underlines how crucial our feelings are to achieving our goals. It teaches us that feeling the feelings triggered by our good thoughts is just as important as thinking them. We send out a signal to the universe that we are open to receiving our desires when we experience the emotions connected to them. But how do we start manifesting our wishes and bring the magic into our lives? That only takes 10 minutes or less, which is wonderful news. Visualization is a potent strategy. Spend simply 10 minutes a day imagining the life you want to live. Imagine yourself living in the house, driving the car, and having the career you want in vivid detail. Experience the feelings evoked by these images while being aware that they are already realities in your head. Affirmations are an alternative method. Spend 10 minutes a day telling yourself encouraging things. Short, impactful phrases called affirmations work to rewire your subconscious thinking. I am worthy of love and abundance. I attract riches and success into my life. And I am capable of realizing my dreams are a few examples of affirmations. Another effective technique that takes no more than 10 minutes is meditation. It aids in mind peace and enables us to access our inner knowledge and intuition. We may let go of bad emotions and thoughts by practicing mental stillness, and we can replace them with constructive ones. Gratitude is a potent force that can help us achieve our goals. Every day for 10 minutes, concentrate on all the things you have to be thankful for. We attract more plenty into our lives by concentrating on what we already have rather than what we need. It's crucial to keep in mind that the law of assumption always operates, whether or not we are consciously aware of it. We will attract undesirable events and consequences if we have unfavorable views or presumptions about who we are and how our lives will turn out. Yet, by intentionally making the decision to change our assumptions and beliefs to support our wants, we may design a more uplifting and gratifying reality. The power of vision is one of the main components of the law of assumption. We can successfully train our subconscious mind to draw the outcomes we want into our lives by visualizing them clearly in our minds. This entails feeling the emotions connected to achieving our goal outcome in addition to visualizing the final result. Our efforts to actualize our desires will be more effective the more we can submerge ourselves in the emotions of having already fulfilled them. Of course, simply imagining and feeling the results we want won't do. We must also take steps to realize our objectives while having faith that the universe will give us the chances and assets we require for success. This entails being receptive to fresh options and possibilities, as well as taking motivated action to achieve our objectives. The law of assumption is ultimately a potent instrument for building the life we want. We can successfully create the results we want if our beliefs, thoughts, and emotions match our desires. The law of assumption can assist you in achieving your objectives and leading the life you actually deserve, regardless of whether you want to attract more prosperity, love, or success into your life. The first step to triggering the law of assumption and attracting your desired outcome into your life is to visualize it. Your subconscious mind, which has the potential to turn your thoughts into reality, can be accessed when you close your eyes and visualize yourself in the position you desire. It's crucial to thoroughly immerse oneself in the experience to make sure your visualization is effective. This entails experiencing the situation's emotions as well as visualizing it. For instance, visualize yourself enjoying the freedom and joy that come with financial security if you want to attract greater prosperity into your life. It's crucial to be as specific as you can with your visualization. Visualize the sights, sounds, and even smells that are connected to the conclusion you want. Your visualization will be more effective at bringing about your ideal condition if you can picture it clearly. The law of assumption cannot be activated just by imagery. You must also consider that what you want has already been accomplished and link your beliefs with your aspirations. This entails letting go of any uncertainties or worries and placing your faith in the certainty of your desired result. Using affirmations is one approach to make your beliefs and goals coincide. Positive sentences that you repeat to yourself are called affirmations, and they are used to support desired beliefs. For instance, you may repeat affirmations like, "I am worthy of abundance," and "money flows to me freely and effortlessly," if you want to attract more abundance into your life. Adorning a supportive environment is another method to make your ideals and goals coincide. This could be engaging in activities like reading literature or listening to podcasts that encourage achievement and a positive outlook, surrounding yourself with encouraging loved ones, or even looking for a coach or mentor who can assist you move in the direction of your goals. Taking action in the direction of your intended outcome is also essential for triggering the law of assumption, in addition to visualization and matching your beliefs with your objectives. This entails establishing objectives and making progress towards them, whatever how little the steps may be. Even the tiniest measures can help you move closer to your goal and increase your confidence that it is doable. It's crucial to understand that using the law of assumption requires ongoing practice rather than being done once. To stay in line with your desires and values, you must continually concentrate and make an effort. This entails continuing to take action in the direction of your desired result while remaining attentive against unfavorable influences and thoughts that could impede your development. The magic in your life can be activated and dreams can come true by visualizing and affirming your desires. You may make sure that your thoughts, emotions, and actions are in line with your goals by visualizing what you want and picturing yourself experiencing it. As emotions are energy in motion and emit vibrations that attract other energies with like vibrations in the cosmos, it is essential to experience the emotions connected to your intended goal. You bring more of those emotions and events into your life by feeling abundant, appreciative, and joyous. The belief and anticipation that your desires will come true can be strengthened with the aid of positive affirmations. Choose affirmations that speak to you, such as, "I am worthy of abundance," or "Whatever I wish is coming to me effortlessly," and repeat them often. Your subconscious mind receives a strong signal from this that what you want is already on the way. It's also crucial to have faith that everything is happening for your best interests and that the universe is working in your favor. Allowing the universe to work its magic and fulfill your wishes requires letting go of any doubts or anxieties. Keep in mind that your vibration affects the cosmos, and that you attract the things you believe to be true. Hence, have faith that your desires will materialize at the ideal time and in the ideal manner, and have an open mind to any unexpected opportunities that may present themselves. You may bring magic into your life and make your desires come true by adhering to these rules. In conclusion, you can achieve your goals by coordinating your ideas, feelings, and beliefs. Positive affirmations and visualization are effective techniques for igniting the magic in your life. Keep in mind that the secret is in the feeling, and the key is to have faith that what you want will come. Have faith in the cosmos, and let it work its magic in your life. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more insightful advice.